It seems like a simple swap until the surprises start showing up. Let's talk about the hidden stuff that can throw your whole project off. Hey, I'm Callie with JSB Home Solutions, and around here, remove and replace kitchen remodels are kind of our specialty. If you like your layout and just want to upgrade the finishes, like new cabinets, countertops, and lighting, this type of remodel is faster, more efficient, and usually more budget-friendly. But even simple remodels can come with surprises. So in this video, let's break down the problems that can pop up in remove and replace remodels and how we solve them so your project stays smooth. The most common challenge? We don't always know what's behind your cabinets or walls until we open them up. Old homes especially can surprise you with water damage from leaky pipes, outdated or unsafe electrical, uneven walls and floors, pest or insulation issues. Our solution? We prep homeowners for the possibility of behind-the-wall surprises from day one. Our team builds in contingency plans and we walk you through any issues before making repairs, so there are no surprises on the invoice. Remove and replace means we're keeping the same layout, so we have to work with what's already there. That can limit things like cabinet size and spacing, appliance placement, lighting location, lack of flexibility for adding major new features. But here's how we solve this. We design within your existing space to maximize every inch. Custom cabinet sizes, clever organizers, space-saving pantry swaps, and upgraded lighting can make the same layout feel completely new without tearing everything out. And we can make some minor swaps. Sometimes you don't want to change everything. Maybe you want to keep your floors, or keep your island, or just reface the cabinets. That's totally doable, but matching old finishes to new ones can be tricky. Here's our fix. We help you choose materials and finishes that complement what's staying, not fight with it. And if something needs to be swapped, like a cabinet that's too damaged, we can match the rest and make it seamless. Even a remove and replace kitchen isn't a one-day job. You've still got product lead times, permit requirements, skilled trade scheduling, and prep work in your home. So here's how we handle it. Our team gives you a clear schedule up front, helps you prepare your space, and coordinates every step so you're not managing multiple crews or wondering when things will happen. Most remove and replace kitchen projects take about 7 to 10 days once construction begins. Here's the truth. Sometimes a remove and replace project just isn't the right fit. If your kitchen layout is truly dysfunctional, if you need to move walls or expand the space, or if you're ready for a total transformation from scratch, a different approach might be the better fit. That's when we'll tell you honestly and connect you with J.S. Brown & Company, our sister company that specializes in full custom kitchens, additions, and layout redesigns. If you're planning a kitchen remodel and wondering whether a remove and replace approach will work for your space, schedule a free consultation with our team. We'll come out, measure your kitchen, talk through your vision, and help you figure out whether a smart refresh or a full redesign is the best path forward. You can also visit our showroom to explore refacing options, custom cabinetry, countertop materials, and more. You can check out the links below to get started. Even the simplest remodels deserve smart planning and honest advice. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big and remodel smart.